Ooh, exciting day today with lots of stuff going on. First, sorry for the mess. I'm in the middle of doing some Marvel Cinematic gameplay and yeah, there's that. But there's a ton of stuff going on today. Let's go ahead and talk about the photo contest. The prizes for the photo contest are a complete set of photography gear. We're talking limo studio lights. We're talking a superior seamless gray backdrop wallpaper. We're talking a backdrop stand to hold said wallpaper. And it gets better because not just one, not two, but three people are winning $120 worth of studio gear each. Now, aside from a camera, of course, this is all you need to literally take product photos. It's the gear that I started with. It's the gear that I'm still using now in conjunction with everything else. I use this exact gear to take the photos that I've been showing you throughout the entire series. And now I want to take a quick mid-break in the product photography series, not only to gear you up, but to also challenge you and have you apply everything that you've been learning throughout the series in practice. Prizes aside, now's the time to really push your photography to get better, to make progress. So what do you have to do for the photo contest? Well, first, please make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you aren't already. And then to get a chance at winning one of those sets of gear, you have to send in just one photo. That's it, and I only am judging one criteria only. And that is, surprise, surprise, composition, which is the last episode that came out in the series. You will not be judged on camera quality, photo quality, lighting, color grade, nothing like that. This is an entry-level photo contest designed to help you build up your portfolio and gear, and also designed to get you thinking to tackle the most difficult concept to learn. So of course, I don't expect you to have the gear to enter. I want this to be as accessible as possible. This is also open to everyone worldwide. It doesn't matter where you are. However, if for whatever reason I can't send this gear to you, I'll at least send you an Amazon gift card worth the same price. So let's talk about that one photo and where you're sending it to. I want you to take one board game that makes you happy. With that board game, you must use most of the major components and the box itself. Show me your best composition of those items. I know that's kind of vague, but make sure you use as many components as you can. Remember that the end goal here is to make your photo stand out and for publishers to book you. So use as many components as you can in one shot. Make sure it's landscape. Watch the last video for tips and tricks on all that related. And then you can email that photo to tim.chuon@gmail.com. Please use April photo contest as your header so I can filter it out. And then in your email, leave your Instagram and Twitter handle and/or. Reason why is because I want to tag you when I repost the photo entries after the contest is over. In your email, if you want to, tell me a little story about your photo. You know, what was the most challenging aspect about it? What was most difficult about it? Why do you even like photography? Whatever you want. You have 1 week to send in your photo because the deadline is April 16th, 2021 at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And then I'll do a follow-up video shortly after announcing the winners. We'll do a quick dive into those photos and I'll give some feedback on those 3 winners. I have no idea how many people are going to participate, so who knows, I might throw out a couple of other cool things for some honorable mentions. So again, to recap, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and then email me one photo of any board game you'd like. For that photo, you're taking an all-in shot, so put in as many components as possible. That does include the box. Tighten up your compositions, make sure you arrange tokens and dice nice and neat, polish it to the best of your current ability, and remember that the one thing being judged is composition. That means how well did you rearrange and organize everything? How well did you group things together? We'll keep this comment section as like a FAQ if you have any questions about it, and I'll answer all of your questions down below. Please also send me a brand new photo that you've taken this week, by the way, because for the last photo contest, I had a few people try to slide in with some old photos they've taken. Trust me, I remember all the photos that you've sent in before, and I've seen a good amount of them on social media now, so be good. Take a new one. Reused ones will unfortunately be disqualified. And with that, let's announce our Stardew Valley board game winner right here. Congratulations, I can't wait to get this beautiful board game out to you. I hope you have an amazing time playing. Please message me across social media or email me. You have 1 week to claim your prize. For everyone else, thank you all so much for your generous, motivational, inspiring comments. I have seen every single one of them, and trust me, they seriously mean the world to me. So thank you all so much for supporting me from 5,000 to more. You all really know how to get my energy going. Okay, so that's it for me. Good luck for everyone participating in the photo contest. Share this video, tell everyone about the photo contest because you have 1 week. I cannot wait Can't wait to see what you're gonna send in. This is going to be a great exercise, win or lose, for everyone. So I highly encourage you to play along. And also, make sure you save this photo for the epic finale of the series because it's gonna be a fun one. Let's get to work.